I am Arbab, working as a full stack developer in tech industry since 2022. My main expertise in web technologies. For the front end, I mostly use React and Next.js. For the back end, I use Node.js with Express and Python. For the databases, I work both on relational and non-relational databases. For example, MongoDB, Postgres, and I have a strong understanding about the ORM like Prisma or Supabase. My focus is to deliver a high quality, maintainable applications are fully working, secure, and optimized. My working style is something different that first I have to analyze all the business logic, all the business requirements, what are the main requirements for this project. According to that project, then I have to select the best optimized technologies for that product that will suitable to this project according to requirement, which has a minimum cost with which has the minimum cost with the best results and have minimum load time and best performance according to the requirement. This is how I select the technology according to the requirement for my different clients. Mainly use Python in the backend, the core language in the backend when I was working with AI integration and data processing and ML tasks, ML related projects. I mainly use Python. As most of you know, the benefit of Python. Python is fast as compared to other language, and this is this language has more benefits and more rich feature in AI development, and this is secure to any other language. That's why I use Python for such projects. There are many projects. For example, recently I have developed an AI resume application. My role was as a full stack developer for the development of this project. In the backend, I have used Python for data processing, for PDF processing, for data extraction, and I have to integrate the large language model in the backend using Python. For the front end, I used Next.js to make our design responsive, secure, and highly optimized for all the users. I have used Python in many more different projects that I have developed for my different clients and the different software houses like the AI automation systems and chatbot development, whether it's a RAG based system or any other chatbot. My focus is to use Python for such projects. For related to web, I mostly use for the front end I use React or Next.js, and the backend I use Node.js with Express or MongoDB. This is the main technology that I have to use for the web projects. But I have to analyze the requirements. After analyzing the requirement, then we have to select the core technology according to the requirements. This is how my technical skills I use in tech projects. I would like to say that I am 100% comfortable working independently, and I can deliver the projects and I can deliver the project's requirements and the project on within the time. communicate clearly my work to my colleagues, and I am open to learn something new if there is any need or according to requirement. I have also upgraded my skill learning cloud technologies like AWS and Azure, and I have also learning the system design and some cybersecurity techniques to make our app more secure, more optimized, and user friendly.